Today, we're discussing a significant shift in the semiconductor industry as Nvidia replaces Intel on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. In a historic move, Nvidia will join the prestigious 30 stock average, ending Intel's 25-year run. This change reflects the evolving landscape of the semiconductor industry, where Nvidia has emerged as a leader in artificial intelligence systems. Nvidia's dominance in AI-driven chips has catapulted the company to the forefront. While Intel has struggled to maintain pace, this transition underscores the growing importance of AI technology in modern computing. S&P Dow Jones Indices announced the changes, effective November 7, aiming to ensure more representative exposure to the semiconductors industry and materials sector. The Dow's price-weighted structure necessitates this update, as persistently lower-priced stocks have minimal impact. Dow Inc., the smallest company on the Dow by market capitalization, will also be replaced by paintmaker Sherwin-Williams. This dual substitution reinforces the index's adaptability to industry transformations. The Dow Jones Utility Average will witness a similar change, with Texas-based energy company Vistra replacing Virginia-based AES Corp. Nvidia's inclusion in the Dow Jones Industrial Average solidifies its position as a pioneering force in AI-driven semiconductor technology. As the industry continues to evolve, this shift highlights the increasing significance of AI innovation. Intel's departure from the Dow marks the end of an era, as the company once synonymous with semiconductor advancements struggles to regain momentum. The implications of this change are far-reaching, signaling a new era in semiconductor leadership. Nvidia's focus on AI-driven innovation has positioned the company for continued success. As the semiconductor industry continues to transform, staying informed about key players and trends is crucial. If you're interested in staying updated on the latest tech news, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.